the Deputy President. I want to... Hata sijaanza. Simungoje kwanza nianze. Before I call the Deputy President, we as KANU would like to say a few things. Because, as I said earlier when we started, that the former president, the second president of the Republic of Kenya, was our member all through and through. He led this country 24 years and 11 years as a deputy president, as a vice president. We are going to make this announcement. And the announcement that I am going to make is that we will give the family the usual 7 days of mourning. The usual 7 days of mourning. Then, as members of KANU and Kenyans who love President Moi, we are going to spend, after the family has spent the 7 required days of mourning, we are going to be here in Kabarak receiving guests for 40 days. 40 days. Kuanzia tarehe mukipata tarehe yenyu 7, we will be here, and Mheshimiwa Gideon Moi, we beg you to receive us. To receive members of KANU who will be remembering Mzee Moi for 40 days, because he gave a lot to our party, he did a lot to our party, and Moi, as much as he's gone, KANU is very much alive. KANU is very, very much alive. It is the only party that has had representation in parliament since Kenya gained independence. The only party. Parties have come and gone, but we are still there. And I tell you, we will be there. With those few remarks, may I welcome the Deputy President.